Hey everyone, welcome back to Training Time with the Professor. My name is MJ Cordova. I'm the Director of Productivity here at KP Elite. Today I want to talk about why you don't have enough time to do the things you need to do. And the answer is time management. There's so many people in this world that have successful careers. They have healthy bodies, they're exercising, they're spending time with their families, they're being productive. And we look at them and we say, where do they get all this time? And unfortunately, the real answer is they just manage time better than you. We all know we have the same amount of time in our days. The challenge is some of us use that time more effectively. Some people waste more time. That's why it's really critical to be conscious of and manage your time correctly. I know that most of us have been through some sort of time management seminar, maybe even a time allocation seminar, and we see this concept of time blocking, and it feels really, really uncomfortable. All of us like our freedom. None of us like to be restricted. And sometimes those time blocking feel like they are restricting us. They feel like we can't do what we need to do. And I hear a lot of excuses. I've been doing this and leading sales teams for over 20 years. And I hear all of the time, I don't like time allocation. I don't like time blocking because it restricts me. And if something goes wrong, then I don't have the opportunity to fix it because I'm blocked somewhere else. And all I really want you to understand is that part of time blocking, part of time allocation is that you leave open blocks so that you have the opportunity to adjust your schedule as needed. If we schedule out 16 or 18 hours a day, then of course there's going to be traffic. Of course something's going to go wrong and that's going to take longer than we expected. And a domino effect happens through the rest of our day. However, if we leave ourselves some short blocks of time where we're not scheduled, then we have the opportunity to do one of two things. We can either handle the crisis right away, move what we're doing to the open block, or we can say the crisis isn't really a crisis, and we can say, I'll wait till my open block to do that. So if a pipe bursts at your house, you might need to stop what you're doing, take that to the open time block. If it's something else, like you're in traffic and your next task isn't time critical, then you sit in traffic and everything just bleeds over until you catch up during that open block. But the reality of it is, if you want to get more done, if you want to enjoy more of life, have more recreation time, plan it. If you want to have more time with your family, plan it. If you want to be more effective at work, if you want to do more at work, if you want to sell more, then you have to allocate specific time to do that. If not, that will be the one thing that everything else eats up time from. So, moral of the story, you have to have some system for managing your time. Time block. Leave some open spaces in there so that you can adjust your schedule as necessary. It was great talking to you guys, and we'll see you again real soon.